So guys, it is my friend's birthday tomorrow. She turns 17, which is crazy because I was there for her 15th birthday, her 16th, and now she's gonna be 17. And I was 17 when I first met her. We're like 2.5 years apart, and she feels like my little sister, so I'm just so excited. I'm just so blessed to like be her older sister, I guess you could say. She makes life so fun, and she loves to help me out and just support me with everything that I do. I'm not gonna be emotional. She even offered to help film some of my videos, which she has. I haven't even edited that video, so I feel kind of bad, but that video will be up hopefully soon. Probably not on Kylie Nancy Joe, but we'll see. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I got her. Oh, the sun's coming back out. The lighting's so good over here. Oh my gosh. And I have a really cute birthday gift that I'm about to show you guys. I am so excited for this birthday gift, and I think you guys will love it. Please take inspiration from this gift, because I don't even know how I came up with this gift idea. I did. I don't know how. This is where you guys are gonna be set up. Not the best lighting. Got some Minecraft posters behind us. So Hobby Lobby, all this stuff together I think was like $23 to $25 for all this, plus something else that I bought was like $6.40. So altogether it's like a $30 gift, and it is a precious gift. Let me explain a little bit of this gift before I show you guys. Every time I'm with Miss Chloe, she takes so many photos. She takes photos and videos like the entire time. So we have a lot of photos together. And that's what made me think of this gift idea, because last year I wanted to get her a photo printer so she could print photos from her phone onto a photo printer and have those photos. And then I was like, that's like $60, and I don't feel like spending $60 because I have stuff I have to pay for, because I am somehow 20 years old and have payments. So I was like, what's something else I could do with photos? I can print out some photos. Maybe we can hang them on her wall. That'd be a cute little idea. Wow, I am so pale right now. I'm so sorry I look so pale. And then I thought of this. A scrapbook. A scrapbook. I was like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? So I searched up some ideas on Pinterest. And I was like, this is such a cute idea. So I bought like a little scrapbook set type of thing that we can make our first page together tomorrow, because tomorrow is her birthday. And I'm going to take her out for lunch. I'm going to give her this gift. We're going to make our first scrapbook like page together, and she can print out whatever photo she wants in the future and do this as well. So I got to put a battery in you guys real fast, so hang on. This is a spiral sketchbook from Master's Touch, and all of Master's Touch stuff is half off at Ulta. Girl, I buy too much makeup at Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh. So this is just a plain black notebook with like plain white pages, and I wanted one that had like a spiral in the middle. Now I don't really like the texture of this. I wish it was more flat so you can decorate the outside of this a little bit easier, because I'm worried stuff might fall off. But this is the only one I could find, and it was half off. So, and it's very thick, so she can use this for probably quite a while. Next, I found this. I'm so thankful that I found this, because scrapbook paper is expensive as crap, as well as their stickers, everything. But this I found for $6. Literally, this was only $6, and it has 14 pieces. Let's see on the back if it says. It has 10 scrapbook papers, 1 sticker sheet, 1 alpha sticker sheet, which is like the alphabet, 1 3D embellishment sticker sheet, 1 gemstone sticker sheet. But when I saw this, I was like, it's the only one that wasn't like too 12-year-old-ish. Like the rest of them looked like it's for 12-year-olds, and this is the only one that I was like, okay, this is actually really cute. And I know in the future she can buy extra little things, like for Christmas she could buy like a Christmas themed stuff to make a Christmas page, etc. So I'm like, this is just a good start, so we're gonna do that. I got some washi tape. This was $6, not half off or anything. It was actually $6, but I thought this would be cute on the corners of like photos and stuff. And yeah, I also got some markers from Master's Touch as well. She can write in it the dates of stuff and draw little things if she wanted to. I also got some puffy paint, and now this was half off, so it's $1.25. I thought this would be cute to add a textural element to the page. This little puffy paint. This is the fabric paint though, so I hope it works out. But I thought this would be nice to like draw things and maybe even paint on it if she wanted to. And as I was checking out, I saw this, which I'm very thankful I did, because I was thinking in my head, how is she going to glue these photos to the pages? And I saw this at the checkout. Double-sided tape. This is perfect. So she can put scrapbook paper, photos, whatever in her scrapbook. I just put in this glue stick in there just in case like the tape doesn't work out for something. She has a glue stick. And also, I'm about to go to Walgreens, pick up the photos, and I'm also going to pick up some scissors to put in this kit. Okay, so that's what I got her, so let's go to Walgreens and pick up the photos. Okay, so they had scissors in there for $1.25, and they're name brand actually. So, and they also had double-sided tape. I paid like $3 and something. I think I paid like $3.59 for that double-sided tape at Hobby Lobby, and it was $1.25 here. So, and then I found some Nerd gummy clusters. Are you freaking kidding me? You know how expensive these are? And I haven't ate these in forever, so I'm gonna test these out than what you normally get, but oh yeah. Well, let's test these out. Listen, there was self-checkout in there. Self-checkout in a Dollar Tree. It was fancy too. It's like better than Walmart's self-checkout. I haven't ate these in forever either. They smell very artificial. That tastes really bad. It tastes horrible. Okay guys, so I got my envelope of photos from Walgreens. Let me just say, Walgreens, like in 10 minutes my photos were done. And Walmart's taking like 4 days or 5 days. Yeah, like 4 days. So just get your photos printed at Walgreens or CVS. It was literally like the same exact price. Okay. Bad quality. Oh, that's like one of our first photos together. That's so cute. It's like one of the most iconic photos of all time. So when we got snow cones together. This went during COVID and she came to visit. As you can see, she's still in her car because she just like stayed in her car. Gave me a bracelet. This was my 18th birthday. This is also almost my 18th birthday. This is at Opryland during Christmas. In my contacts, this is the photo. This is like when we started getting closer together. And this was like October 2019, and I have not changed it. This is also when we went to the concert, and that's her and Johanna, and that is the cutest photo ever. I just want to keep this. I want to hang this up. That is so cute. This also Chloe and Johanna. I had to get some of them together because they are adorable. Joanna's so mean to her, and it's the funniest thing ever. I want to keep some of these photos for myself. Okay, that's all of them. I was gonna have you guys help me bag Chloe's gift. So this is the gift bag that I got. I'm gonna rip this little thing off because I think that is ugly. So this is the happy birthday bag. I found this in the garage, so it was free. So let's get our gift bag. So let's get our paper, which is not fitting. Next, we put it in our notebook. Markers, washi tape, and puffy paint. Then scissors, double-sided tape, and glue stick. So I got an envelope. I don't know if it's too big or too small. I'm just gonna put this in there because, yeah. Okay, this kind of looks like a hot mess. It's just all kind of thrown in there. I need to write her a birthday note, so I'm gonna do that. Pop this note in the same envelope with the photos. Okay, I know it's not the prettiest present in the world, but I had no paper, so I just used the paper that was wrapped up, that my pots were wrapped up in. My plant pots, that's a different video, but she'll still appreciate it, I hope. Today we have with us the birthday girl, Miss Chloe, who's helped me film before, and it was like in one of my very first vlogs on this channel. So I'm filming her birthday gift, and this is very like ugly, I'm sorry, but it's a cute gift, I hope. So okay, we're gonna open it. Okay.
Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh wow.
You have to, when it's all out, you'll understand.
A butterfly paper crafting kit? What is that?
Okay, just keep going.
Oh,
okay.
Oh, this is
Okay.
very cute. Oh,
Okay.
I think I know. Oh, I do know. These are so cute.
All of our photos.
Oh.
So then now you can make a scrapbook. It's like gonna be a little scrapbook and have all the little stuff in here to make.
That's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love the idea though, honestly. That's
I don't know how I thought of it.
Honestly, I wouldn't have thought of it. Because I'm just dumb. That's so cute though. Wait, I want to look at these photos.
They're so cute. I love them.
So, guys, this is my favorite photo of us. I don't know.
I
if
think
you
they're
can see.
here. I feel like we're like 13-year-olds. I feel like it's something 13-year-olds would do. It's wow, our first scrapbook page. Oh, that actually is kind of cute. It's cute on camera.
We'll see it on camera.
See on camera, so cute.
It is actually really cute.
We cut her hair, just like glue realistic hair on there. Oh, that'd be so funny. Let's see how I look. Oh my gosh, never mind.
See you again.